Even check to see if my hair looks all right. Who cares? Who cares? Hey everybody, I'm gonna do something a little different, kind of a peek behind the scenes, if you will, because this channel is at least partly about education for modern drummers. But like probably 100% of you watching right now, I am also a student of the drums myself, and I know I will be for the rest of my life. There is just so much to learn, and I'm glad to see that even my drum covers have been really helpful to people. You know, those are mostly for fun and to show the styles of music that I like, the songs I like, things I am currently capable of playing, and you know, it always takes me a while to really practice something to be able to get all the way through it. But I get comments from people saying, you know, this helped me figure out how to play this, and that's great. So I'm really glad that that is educational as well, even if it's not intended to be. So I just wanted to put this video out to share how I am also working to improve as a drummer, and specifically for this topic, how I am trying to be a better session drummer, because I would love to find more work recording drums for other people. And I would say that the thing that has turned out to be the most helpful to me over the last couple years is using MikesLessons.com. And I don't want this to sound like an advertisement. Mike Johnston is not paying me for this. He has no idea I'm making this video. I'll probably send him a link when I'm done making this. But one of the coolest features on his website is the sessions. If you're not familiar with that, you record yourself and film yourself playing along to a drumless track. You submit that to him. You get feedback. He gives you things that you need to work on to improve it. And eventually you get that approval from him, which unlocks the next one that you can do. And so you can only do one at a time, and they get progressively more challenging as you work through. So at this point, I am up to number 13. It turned out to be a lot of fun. I would have to say it's probably my favorite that I've done at this point. So that's why I wanted to share it. If you are interested in seeing any of the other videos, I can share those too. They're not really all my style of music. There are a few good ones in there. I'd be happy to share a couple of them. And of course, going forward as I progress through the next ones, I'd be happy to share those too. If you want to see some of those, let me know down in the comments. But for now, this is my take on session 13.
Like a sickness running through my veins. It's a force that's pulling